Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is revision 10, and this contains a unit from 1 to 20. Also don't forget to subscribe our roundup 2 tests in Telegram channel, so you can go there and check the new tests. Okay, so let's start this one. Write the sentences in plural. This is a ball, these are balls. This is a fox, those are foxes. This is a baby, these are babies. That is a bed, those are beds. Those are buses. So that's a bus, those are buses. This is a horse, these are horses. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Underline the correct item. John wants some bananas. Have you got some money? Have you got not some money? Let's write. Have you got? Yes, there he is. Have you got any money? How much butter is there? He came at 5 o'clock. There are some children in the park. Are there any apples left? How many oranges are there? What do you do in the summer? I want to go to the cinema. Do you like swimming? Okay. Fill in the correct word from the box. The radio is his. Okay. When is your birthday? This book is mine. Their house is big. These pens are ours. These flowers are hers. So her hair is very long. That is its bed. Okay. Put the verbs in the present simple or the present continuous. Okay. Bob is washing his car at the moment. Okay. So my sister is eating her dinner now. I always do my homework in the evening. My mother is usually does the housework at the weekend. Khaled is tidying his room now. They usually go on holiday in August. Jen always goes to bed early. My dad usually sleeps in the afternoon. He is writing an email at present. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Okay. Copy the text with the correct preposition. Okay, let's start doing it. My name is Peter. I live in New York. I have an apartment on the 8th floor of an apartment block. My friend Sue lives in a flat above mine on the 9th floor. Sue and I like getting together on Sundays. We usually meet at 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock. At 1 o'clock at afternoon and have lunch together. Then we go for a walk or stay at home and watch TV. In the summer, we usually have our lunch at Central Park. It's so beautiful there. I have made this little mistake. So there is in and there is in too. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Complete the sentences as in the example. We are going to take a helicopter ride. Oh, good. We'll see the mountains then. So the first one, we are going to go to the beach. Really? I will go snorkeling then. We are going to the party. Oh, good. We will invite all our friends then. They are going to have a barbecue. Really? We will try the delicious burgers then. Okay, so let's take a look at the second one. So write the questions, use the words in the brackets. I don't want to wear a uniform at school. Do I have to wear a uniform at school? I want to go to the cinema. May I go to the cinema? I want to use your computer. Can I use your computer? I don't want to do my homework. Do I have to do my homework? I want to visit my friend Jeff. Can I visit my friend Jeff? I don't want to get up early. Do I have to get up early? I will bring Emma an aspirin. Shall I bring Emma aspirin? An aspirin. Okay, let's do. Let's continue. Choose the correct item. John bought a new bike yesterday. Mother is cooking. Oh, sorry. Mother is cooking at the moment. We went to the cinema yesterday. Tomorrow, he is going to visit his grandmother. He played the football in the park yesterday. They are eating a dinner now. She is writing a letter at the moment. I am doing a homework now. Okay. Fill in where, who, when. Who are you? I am Emma's brother. Where is my bag? On your bed. Where is Peter? In the bedroom. What are you doing? I am washing the car. Whose coat is this? It's mine. Why are you crying? I lost my dog. When is your music lesson? At 8 o'clock. How many apples do we need? 7. Who is that man? I think it's Peter. How much bread do we need? A loaf. What's the weather like? It's rainy. Okay. So let's take a look at this one too. Complete the text. It was a cold, dark night. Tom got out of his car fast and walked at the door of the house. He opened the door slowly and went inside silently. It was very late, so he walked carefully upstairs. He didn't want to wake Rose. Suddenly, a huge black cat ran quickly out of one of the rooms and jumped into him. Help! He screamed loudly. It's okay, Rose answered calmly. Meet Blackie, our new cat pet. Pet cat, sorry. Okay, let's start our revision. 11, the last one. So look at the picture and choose a correct item. This is a picture of my family. Look at us. My parents are called Fiona and Will. My mother is a pilot and my father is a doctor. Mark is my elder brother. He is standing behind my grandmother. My grandmother is sitting next to me. Her name is Kelly. Rob, my younger brother, is sitting with all my grandparents. We are outside our house. It is in London. Okay, fill in the gaps. In, on, or at. We don't go to school at the weekend. We will meet in the evening. It's cold in the desert Sahara at night. I had a music lesson on Monday. Schools are not open on New Year's Day. You must come back at 11 o'clock. My birthday is in July. I play tennis on Saturdays. Okay. So look at the picture and write. So, okay. So, next to the boy. Who is next to the boy? So, let's look. Under the bank, on the butchers, between the woman and the man, so in front of the butchers, and above the bank. So, under under the bank, so who we can see, so between and woman and the man. So, fifth one, in front of the butchers, third one. So, above the bank, fourth one. Next to the boy, sixth one. Under the bank, 2, and on the butcher, the first one. Okay. So read the sentences. Let's try it. So she is the most beautiful girl I know. He is worse at math than me. I'm the most careful driver in the family. In my family, my car is faster than yours. It is the tallest tree in the world. I am older than you. So underline the correct item. So I am very tired. I think I will go to bed early tonight. You are going to be late for work. I will I will get a taxi. I am not sure. I think it will snow. I am not sure, but I think it will snow now. Your shirt is dirty. I know. I am going to wash it today. I am going to buy a suitcase today because I am going on a holiday next week. I am not sure, but I think Kim will come to the school party. Okay, read and match. Do I have to go? Do I have to have a visa to travel to England? No, you don't have a visa. No, you don't have to have a visa. Okay. May I turn on the TV? Okay. Um, sorry, no. Sorry, no. The baby is sleeping. Shall I take you home? No, it's okay. I will walk. Can I take my parrot with me? Yes, you can, but you have to keep it in a cage. Can I go now, miss? Yes, but you mustn't forget to finish the exercise at home. Ace one. Shall I get you something to eat? No, thanks, I am not hungry. Okay, underline the correct question word. How are you? Fine. Thanks. Where is the cat? In the garden. When is your birthday? June 10th. So, whose radio is this? Mary's. What nationality are you? Italian. What do you do? I am a nurse. Okay, choose a correct item again. You must talk quietly. You need to use quietly in the library. Kurt is a good student. I love your present, she said happily. My father gave me a beautiful coat for my birthday. Be quiet. I am trying to sing. My brother always drives carefully. I ran quickly in the house. I was very angry with my little sister. This is a nice scarf. Okay, so let's take a look at the last one. Mother is cleaning the windows now. I watched my favorite cartoon yesterday. Ben is reading a book now. I am going to buy a new CD tomorrow. He took his grandfather to the park yesterday. Listen, the birds are singing in the garden. The girl is talking to her mother now. Uh, when did you go to London? Was it last year? The film was long and boring. You can visit me today or tomorrow. I can't sing, but I can play the piano. Okay, this was our last one, and we finished the roundup too. So see you on the next videos.